log in your search console, open your browser and just search console. Then enter. Okay, just click the page. Now I check it. Not index. Okay, I delete this post. Okay, not index, and just check it. Not found 404. Okay, just click it. Now you see there are a lot of pages link, post link. Okay, just I open it. It cannot found because I already deleted this post, but it Google index can store. Okay, but I just want to delete this link from my site, so just copy this. Okay, now we will just open the new tab. Okay, just click the new tab. Now a request for delete. Click request for remove. Okay, just copy it. Now you remove it. The link only. If you want prefix, also want just delete. Now you just next and submit request. Okay. Now you can do this. Okay. Request, paste, now delete. Same thing again, repeat, copy. Request, delete. Now, copy. Request, delete. We check it was available or not. Okay, this page is also deleted. Just copy it and delete. Okay, you can delete this thing. Okay, okay. Now check it. Now the request is sent and Google is analyze your index again, and it was removed, but it can fix it. Okay, you can check it. It takes some time. Okay, it take few time, and then it was also remove. Okay, you can remove from here. Okay, thank you for watching.